Hello and welcome to Tatt2IQ with Draya Penzo. Today we're going to be talking about my tattoo setup. First, I like to start with a matticide wipe and wipe down my entire work area as well as my machines. Then I like to add a barrier of plastic wrap and then a bib on top of that. I tape that into place. Making sure I have my razor, plenty of paper towels. I personally like Bouncy or Viva. And then I have my tongue depressor and some Aquaphor, laying out my ink caps. Today we're going to be working on a black and gray piece, so I'm just laying out my ink caps as I would for a black and gray with all my different shades. We got 5 ink caps for all my shades and then my white, of course. Then you want to wrap up all of your bottles, your spray bottles. So this is me wrapping up my bottle. There's bags that you can buy for that. Then you want to put a tattoo pen cover, and then I wrap this bandage wrap, ace bandage, around it just to keep it in place and to kind of make a grip for myself. I slide the other half of that tattoo cover on the top to cover the top half portion of my machine. Plugging in my power bank, and then next I'm going to use this protective sticky film to wrap my power supply and make sure that that is completely covered. And there we go. And then I'm just going to place down my ink cartridges. That way I don't have to go fumbling in my drawer while I'm tattooing. And this is a proper and easy tattoo setup. If you enjoyed this video, follow us and subscribe to the channel.